Hey everyone, welcome back to the Abelian podcast. I'm Alison, keeping the marketing wheels turning over here. Today's a special one because I'm not alone. Joining me is someone new, and I just say, not your usual guest. Alright, meet our Hako, Abelian's cheeky post-quantum ambassador. Think less stiff mascots, more curious cats from the future. Playful, a little sleeky, but always clued into what next. And honestly, the timing is just perfect. We're stepping into the post-quantum era, where security, privacy, and innovation really matter. And Hako's here to remind us that, while the tech can sound heavy, we can still have fun exploring it together. So let's give a warm welcome to Hako, our quantum explorer, mystery chaser, and today's co-host.
Don't worry, I'll stick to human words today. But hey, if you hear me batting something in the background, that's probably just a quantum riddle rolling across the floor.
That's good to know. Alright, let's dive right in. So Hako, people are curious. How did you become the face of blockchain security?
Oh, Allison, it's a wild story. Imagine me, a nosy little cat poking at mysteries, chasing after glowing clues. One day, I stumbled into blockchain and cryptography. Boom, my brain lights up. It's like discovering a treasure chest where the gold is. Secure digital secrets.
So basically, you're the digital detective?
Exactly, a curious kitty detective, sniffing out riddles and asking a million whys and hows. My favorite game, poking at cryptographic walls and going, can I break this? Don't worry, I'm not the villain here. I'm the playful guardian. Security's serious, but I make it feel like playtime.
Mischief with a mission?
You bet. Curiosity is my superpower. Keeps me sharp, keeps me playful, and it's how I help make the digital world safer while having fun.
Sounds like you have got energy to burn. What do you say to people who think security is boring?
Oh, I'd tell them, security is like hide and seek. You've got the hiders, your data, and the seekers, hackers. Without good security, the seekers always win. But with post-quantum tricks, the hiders get an unbeatable hiding spot.
Alright, Hako, mischief assigns. What is your actual mission here at Abelian?
My quest is simple, help everyone understand why post-quantum security matters. Because here's the thing, one day, super smart quantum computers could crack today's codes like peanuts. Your bank, your messages, your digital treasures, and even your favorite memes, all exposed.
Now it's terrifying. Imagine someone stealing all my memes.
Exactly, we can't have that. That's why Abelian's building a quantum-resistant blockchain. It's like upgrading from a wooden door to a fortress made of unbreakable crystal. I'm here to make sure people get it, without falling asleep halfway through the explanation.
So you're kind of like a superhero?
That's right, a superhero with curiosity as my cape and a gold chain for style points. Want to know a secret? Post-quantum security is like creating a magic lock that even tomorrow's smartest computer can't pick.
Yeah, I love the sound of that. How is it different from what we've got now?
Great question. Right now, our locks are strong, but clever hackers with future tech could break them. Post-quantum cryptography is like turning those locks into superhero shields. Regular doors might get picked, but these shields, they adapt, they hold, they protect.
So Abelian's building the fortress of the future?
Exactly. My vision, a blockchain where your money, your data, your digital identity all stay safe no matter what. That's the future of Abelian's building, piece by piece, block by block.
And you're guiding us there with a curiosity, and well, I'm led to mischief.
You know me too well. That's a wrap for today's AMA. Stick with Abelian, follow us, join the fun, and don't forget to register for Post-Quantum Blockchain Day 2025 in Phuket, Thailand. It's going to be perfectly massive. I'll be there, dropping secrets and playing guide to this wild quantum adventure. And that's our little adventure for today. But don't forget, the story continues. Post-Quantum Blockchain Day 2025 is coming up. It's going to be huge, and yes, I'll be there, dropping secrets, teasing riddles, and guiding you through the quantum future.
Thank you, Hako, and thanks to all of you for tuning in. Stay curious, stay secure, and keep exploring.
And if you hear a faint purr coming from the blockchain, that's just me, making sure the secrets stay safe.